Hey guys, today we're making a taco bowl and we're going to save a few calories by cooking them in the air fryer. Let's get started. I have some flour tortillas here and I'm going to sprinkle a generous amount of olive oil on them. Then take a pastry brush and spread well. Flip and repeat. Okay, at this point, I figured my hands was a better tool. By any means, cover your tortillas well with the oil. Now take the seasoning of your choice and lightly season both sides. Take an oven-proof bowl, and this one is the perfect size, I might add, and gently fold the tortilla into the sides of the bowl. You also want to make sure it's touching the bottom. We have them all ready. Now let's go to the air fryer. There's just enough room for the 4 bowls. Perfect. Now we're going to set our dial to air fry at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. So while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and scramble up some ground turkey. For those of you who are learning to cook, you want to scramble your ground meat until it's no longer pink. Back to the taco bowls. After 10 minutes, you want to flip your shells and let them cook an additional 5 to 6 minutes. Let's finish up our meat. Once your meat is brown, add your taco seasoning to taste. For a 1 pound package, I usually do 1.5 packs of the taco seasonings. Add the water and simmer until thickened. In the meantime, our bowls are ready. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Let's elevate our flavors by adding some black bean and corn salsa. We're almost finished. So while the sauce is thickening up, let me show you the taco bowls. The color is beautiful. And listen, it's going to be a really nice crunch. Okay, enough of that. Let's load one up. Guys, I have tested this bowl and they remain fresh for at least 7 days. In the bowl I cooked them in, covered in plastic wrap. Okay, I'm going to add my meat. And here are the condiments I like for my bowl. Very simple. Cheese, tomatoes, sour cream, and lettuce. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, life is great when you keep it simple. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.